Hello, my people. And na dey also na dey fine. Abeg na question I can't ask you for those people wey be say they use organic cream. Okay, now wetin happen to me. So this summer just finish. So this summer we just dey go. So I can't notice my face. Say e be like say I dey get something like black for here. Black. So wetin because like me now, I dey use all this like Garnier, this Garnier for face. Say they get night old, they get depends on the one, because me I know they like get special cream like that. So I come now that one they use. Be like say as this song, now know say this song wey be say e come this year. Not be small thing. When I come the notice I come say okay, me I buy which cream I will come buy wey be say go come clear the place. I come say okay, me I order organic cream. Okay, so I come enter online, because normally I know they like to they go Africa store, go they buy all this cream, because my cream where they use now either I buy am for pharmacy or I go buy am for supermarket for my body. So I know they be other one wey be say get one special one. No, the important thing wey go for my skin, I will just they use am. I won't enter online, or as I don't enter online, I can say me I find one better organic cream, and the thing they dear. I don't know say they dear. So as I enter this online now, come they check for something for we go remove black dark under eye. So I can't see this cream. As I see I can't read what the right put, everything was okay, no problem. They say na handmade, all this gbogbo where be say then they do with this one ingredient of this one, that one. I can say okay, this one go good, because I don't want something where be say go arch for my body, because I get my skin they very very soft. Okay, I can't order am. As I order am now, when the cream come with washing to wash face also, when it come now, the thing can't look one kind for my. I never use am. Come to say why this cream not get expiry date. Now that one I just draw my attention. It not get expiry date. Then you write the name of the company, put on like this, just like something you write like this. You just plaster and put bring and come like that. With the one they tell they wash face now, say no, me I not go use this cream. I not go even touch am, because anything will not get expiry dates, I know they buy. I can't contact the seller. I can't tell them say I don't understand this your cream where you bring come. Why be say not get expiry date? Say it's against the law. Anything where you they sell, it must get expiry date. Even water where person they drink itself. If you buy it, if you see the on top, you see say they still write expiry date put. I talk of cream where be say I want put for my face. Then the seller can't tell me say, all their cream now 12 months now they last. So me say they must put expiry date or put the ingredient where they say do the cream. Now say which kind thing be this one? Anything where you buy, they will tell you what it is. In case if you get allergic of anything where they inside, may you not use them. So now I can tell them, so what it go happen. Me I not go use this thing, because wetin I buy supposed to see wetin they say dey inside before I go use am, because I not just carry they go you just use my tell me say this one dey everything na natural go dey use. No, I not dey buy. So I beg, may you come tell me as I want to send and go back, may you give me my money, I fit go look for another place. Wetin this seller tell me? He say anything where I want go do, may I go do. He said they not dey return, they not dey refund. Now tell am say you mean that na so you mean that means you want follow me make wahala. This one na right thing with the right to get with the at the right time they write me. Now I'm gonna tell am say I don't want make problem with you, just do what you supposed to do, because me as I order I know they order like say I know they order direct with my card. They use my paper account, okay, to buy something, because in case it you get 6 months before if you get problem, then you go fit still open case if something they go on. Now tell the seller say as you say you no wan come pick am now, I go open the case so that me and you go drag am, may we see who right, who not right. Not greet out to me. I got the thing say maybe go tell me say okay, me I not open the case and go do this one. As I can see say not write me again, not even talk to me. My people, wetin I do now, I go open the case. I explain to papers, send the evidence. You know, say they go ask you, say wetin dey happen, whether the seller talk to you, whether you with chat, abi na phone, abi na chat. May you send everything, go give them. Now come fill everything, send am, go give them. So wetin make me come here, so my people, I don't know whether na me dey make mistake or na the other, na seller na right. Make una tell me, okay? Abeg. Na my something wey be say I wan use, because me I know one, me I can't use. I never use organic before. Now because of say this summer wey be say e can't, like my face can't get as e can't like dull one kind. I just say me I just use am because not be for body, na only face the cream I even buy. Those of una wey be say no that they buy organic cream wey be say then they do am na handmade, na they take do am. Na true say they no dey write the ingredients wetin dey for inside. They no dey write am for the cream, and they no dey write expiry date put, because me I no know. I need to know whether na me na e come dey wrong. So this organic cream wey dem dey do, all this one wey dem say dem dey use na hand dem take do, and everything is natural, whether na so dem take dey sell am without no writing the day wey dem do am, the day wey go expire, wetin dey inside. Abeg, I use God take beg una, make una tell me, okay? Because if na true say you're not supposed to get the expiry date, you're not supposed to get the ingredients of wetin dem take do am, I was come know say na me na they made mistake. I don open the case already, okay? I open now because me, since I did this abroad, I never buy something wey be say no get expiry date, especially something wey be say either you want eat am or you want put am for your skin, because once your skin don damage, e don damage. So mona beg, mona tell me, okay? Make I for know if I go cancel the case. If na so it dey, na so it take dey sell am, so I go cancel the case, withdraw everything, then use the cream. Because as I even see am sef, the cream when I just open, I just be like milk. Na so na no milk wey dey, na milk. Na so e just be, e not thick, e just make logo. The thing just get as e be. When I come say nothing right, wait, like say e dey here for show na, I don carry am go down. Nothing right inside, say see wetin dey, only just the name of the cream, finish. Now say me I never see this kind of thing. And how much I pay my people? 60 euro. For me to even come out 60 euro to buy something like that, you know say I really need that. Because my wetin I want put for my skin. If I reach pharmacy, I go see 20 euro a cream. If I see this supermarket, I go still see 15 euro cream. Now I tell they rub my body, because I know they like when they buy 60 euro, 20 euro. No. Wetin make me just buy, and when I see say wetin the right put, now I say okay, this one go good, because I don't want anything hot. My skin, it dey very tiny. If it burn, you know. Now I say 60 euro cream, no expiry date, nothing, and you dey tell me now say make I use am, say na 12 months. So if I buy am now, me know the time when they take do am. I don't know when una take do am. Whether maybe they just even put yogurt, come put something, miss and carry come say make I dey use. I don't know. So my people, I beg. I just say, because I been want to do this video yesterday, I can't forget. I can't say me I do am now. Make una tell me, those of una where they use organic cream, where be say na handmade, na all those one where they made, where they do for their house, not be fabric or do and they'll just miss am. Now so it they be, they not they write anything put. I be make I carry me. I wanna advise me, because I don't know what I want to do. But as for me, I don't want use that. Because no, anything as far as say not get expiry date, I don't know where they do. I don't even know what it dey inside. So me, I not gonna use something where we can't turn to another thing. So thank you, my people. I beg more, let me share this video. Those of una where they use organic way be saying like that. More not tell me, okay? If na me say maybe na me wrong, I don't care. I feel withdraw the case, leave the money. I'll throw away the cream. But if maybe na you wrong, maybe they want just like cheat me, do all this nyama thing, make it give me my money, make it come carry a cream, because I don't know what I want use and take do. Because like say I see am for this thing, say they not the right sample, say they not the right expiry date to. I not go buy, because me thing I not go buy. Say even the ingredient where they said I not go buy. You know say sometimes you'll see something for online, if you cannot be waiting you buy. 60 euro when I do it just to buy ya, you can't tell me about that bidi. And God was so kind. Now paper now use. You know, papers go if you carry your money back. So thank you, my people. One love, keep us together. I be more now tell me whether na so or not be so. I just got to beg now, okay? I will find something where I go use for my face. I not see my face as it be. I not see now somehow. Bye bye for now. Appreciate una. Bye.